Hi, I'm Terry from Arcan. In this segment, we're going to talk to you about your RV stove and oven. So we have our stove right here. We have our range vent, so we have the light and exhaust fan. So if you're cooking, you can go ahead and just turn that fan on. So to light these burners, it's very simple. You just push in, turn to light high, and then you'll rotate this knob in the direction the arrows point, and your burner will light. This sparker is directional, so be careful not to turn it in the opposite direction. It could be damaged if you did so. Then you set your temperature however high you want it, and when you're done, you simply just turn this to the off position and the burner goes out. This model does have that sparker. If you had a model that didn't have a sparker, you could use one of these barbecue lighters, long lighter here. Simply just light it at the burner and then go ahead and turn it on and your burner will light. Now for the oven portion of this, we have a pilot light. So to light the pilot, we're gonna open the door. We have to locate the pilot. It's located back here on the right hand side and right hand middle. And we're gonna get our barbecue lighter on that. We're gonna light it up. We're gonna push this to the pilot on position and then push in and hold. You're gonna light that. Pilot light's gonna light. Now, once the pilot's lit, you keep this button pushed down for approximately 3 seconds and then release. When you release it, you look down, you make sure your pilot's still lit. If it's still lit, you're good to go. If not, just rinse and repeat. So to light this oven now, you just simply push in, turn to the desired temperature that you wish to cook at. You know, if you wanna make a pizza, bake a cake, set your temperature there, close the door, and the main burner will cycle on and off with that temperature. To turn the oven off, you just simply wind this back. Now, if you put it back to the pilot on position, the main burner will be off and the pilot will remain lit. If you know you plan on using it often, you can leave the pilot on while you're camped. If you weren't gonna use the oven for a few days or something like that, I would recommend just turning it back to the off position and relighting the pilot each time that you wanted to use your oven. Pretty simple, but that's your RV stove and oven. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop by any one of our many locations or give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Thank you very much.